Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to add and edit timekeepers in Tabs3 Billing. In Tabs3 software, a timekeeper is any user who bills their time. Every timekeeper will have an associated user profile where contact and logon information is stored. For more information on adding users, check out the user configuration video. Let's get started. From the quick launch, search for Timekeeper information. Each timekeeper consists of a timekeeper number, link to user, timekeeper level classification, and up to 6 hourly billing rates. To add a new timekeeper, select the New icon in the toolbar. The next available timekeeper number will be assigned to the timekeeper automatically. Next, select the user associated with this timekeeper. If a user profile does not exist for this timekeeper, you can create a new user by clicking the Add User link next to the user field. Once a user has been selected from the drop-down list, you can access contact information for the user by clicking the hyperlink. Details about the user are saved in your contacts and can easily be accessed from any contact lookup. Next, you'll want to select a level. The level determines this timekeeper's role within the firm and can be used to group timekeepers of the same level together for reporting purposes. A level designation is a common requirement for most e-billing processors. The level options can be modified by selecting the Miscellaneous Description tab and selecting Timekeeper Levels. Up to 9 levels can be defined. Switching back to the Timekeeper tab, you'll also notice that timekeepers can be set to inactive. We recommend setting timekeepers to an inactive status when you no longer need to enter new time for them, but you do want to finish billing existing entries and retain their information for reporting purposes. The timekeeper lookup can be set to show or hide inactive timekeepers from view. Clicking the Profitability button opens a window allowing you to specify overhead costs associated with a particular timekeeper. For example, salary, benefits, etc. These amounts are optional, but can be used by the Timekeeper Profitability Report to determine the profit realized for each timekeeper. In the Rates section, each timekeeper can specify up to 6 different hourly rates. Rate 1 is usually designated as the normal billing rate for most clients, and new clients automatically default to using Rate 1. The ability to define more than one rate allows you to set up premium or discount rates for each timekeeper. For example, Rate 2 will be our discount rate that each timekeeper charges. The effective date of new rates and new rate column can optionally be used to determine what rate will default for a fee depending on the date of the entry. This allows the firm to configure a rate to change as of a certain transaction date without needing to manually adjust the rate. For this example, let's set this timekeeper up to bill at a different rate starting at the beginning of the year. When ready, click Save and open Fee Entry. In the Fee window, when you enter a fee for December 31st, the old rate is still used. When you enter a fee for January 1st, the new rate is used instead. And that's all it takes to set up a timekeeper. For more information, check out our help topics by clicking the question mark icon on the toolbar. Thanks for watching. See you next time.